Well, good everyone. Well, I'm going to make one of these today. It's got a thread this end and a little flattened piece that end. And what it is, you may ask, apart from very shiny, and it is apparently the piece of metal that goes down the middle of the dart's windscreen to give it some stability, I guess. Anyway, my good friend John's lent me this one so I can use it as a template to make some more. I've got some 6mm rod over there, so the first step will be, I think, to shred this, put a thread on it, and then into the forge, flatten out at the other end, bend it 90 degrees, shape it a little bit, maybe on the belt sander, and hopefully I can replicate one of these. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Righto. Okay, marked where it's got a bend. If there was a fair bit of excess, we can always cut it off. Can't add it on. Righto. We'll cut them off. Righto, next step, the forge. Bit of blacksmithing, folks. Righto, grinding wheel time, or belt. Take the belt out, that's a bit too smooth. So look, what have we got here? 60's a bit aggressive. Where can we go? This one here. Or this one. There, I reckon this one. This will do it. Oh, I love this belt sound. Belt grinder. It is a beauty. Oh, yeah. Done. That was quick. Done. And there we go. Still reckon it could probably be tightened up a little bit more. Alright, last bit in the process. I've just given this a very light sand with about 180 grit, just to take the surface rust off and just some of the oxidisation from forging. And I'm going to use this liquid chrome and see how it looks. Doesn't look too bad, does it? Okay, this one just painted. That's the one from John. John's is a bit shiny because it is actually a proper chrome, but yeah, not too bad. At least they're the same length and pretty well the same shape. There you go. One part fabricated for the dart.